How secure is your home Wi-Fi? Hackers use powerful tools to break into Wi-Fi networks. Here are the top 10 Wi-Fi hacking tools in 2026 and how you can defend against them. Aircrack-ng is a powerful open-source suite for testing Wi-Fi security. It captures WPA and WPA2 handshakes, letting you analyze and attempt to crack Wi-Fi passwords. Aircrack-ng can inject packets to force devices to reconnect, making handshake capture easier. Its traffic analysis tools show you detailed Wi-Fi activity, packet by packet. Aircrack-ng cracks WEP in minutes and tests WPA2 security, especially against weak passwords. It's where most Wi-Fi security testing starts, practical, effective, and free. Test your own Wi-Fi with Aircrack-ng to find weaknesses. Use it responsibly. Reaver is a tool that targets WPS, or Wi-Fi protected setup, on routers. If your router has a WPS button, it's vulnerable if WPS is enabled. Attackers use Reaver to brute force the WPS pin, usually just 8 digits. Once the pin is cracked, Reaver reveals the WPA or WPA2 password, no matter how strong it is. Many routers have WPS enabled by default, making them easy targets. The fix is simple. Disable WPS in your router settings immediately. Test your own network with Reaver to check if you're vulnerable. If Reaver succeeds, you need to fix your settings. If not, your Wi-Fi is much safer. Always disable WPS and use strong WPA2 passwords for real security. Wi-Fi is an automated command line tool for Wi-Fi security testing. It simplifies attacks by automating scanning and launching the best method with minimal input. Wi-Fi combines tools like Aircrack-ng and Reaver, choosing the fastest attack for each network. For WEP, it cracks quickly. For WPA2 with WPS, it uses Reaver automatically. You get real-time feedback and can follow each step of the attack. Try Wi-Fi on a test network to see how automated attacks work in practice. Fern Wi-Fi Cracker is a beginner-friendly Wi-Fi hacking tool with a simple graphical interface. No command memorization needed, just point, click, and test Wi-Fi security. Fern works on Kali Linux and other systems. Launch WEP or WPA-WPA2 attacks and sniff ARP packets directly from the GUI. Real-time logs show every step as it happens. Select your target, start the attack, and monitor progress visually. The interface is easy, making it simple for anyone to get started. Drag, drop, and click to launch attacks and see results instantly. Fern also integrates with other tools for expanding your skills. Kismet is a passive detection tool that listens to wireless networks without sending any packets. It quietly gathers information on all wireless networks and devices in range. Kismet can detect hidden networks, rogue access points, and track devices over time. It's ideal for reconnaissance because it doesn't interact with the network. Security professionals use Kismet to audit buildings, airports, and homes for weak spots or unknown devices. It provides a summary of signal strengths, device manufacturers, encryption types, and highlights anomalies. If you want to see what devices are on your Wi-Fi and spot potential threats, try Kismet. Want to analyze your Wi-Fi traffic like a pro? Open Wireshark and start a live capture on your wireless interface. Filter for key events, like WPA handshakes, by typing ePAL in the filter bar. Capture and save handshake packets for later analysis or password cracking. Troubleshooting a connection? Filter by IP or protocol to pinpoint where the failure happens. Spot suspicious traffic by looking for unknown devices or unusual packet patterns. Use color rules to highlight errors, retransmissions, or misconfigurations instantly. Drill down to the exact packet where things go wrong. Right-click and follow the TCP stream for context. Master these steps and you'll quickly diagnose, analyze, and secure your Wi-Fi network. Hashcat is a password recovery tool that uses your computer's GPU to brute force or run dictionary attacks on encrypted Wi-Fi handshake files. GPUs can try millions of password guesses per second, making them much faster than CPUs for this task. Hashcat supports multiple attack modes: brute force, dictionary, rule-based, and hybrid. Weak passwords are cracked in seconds. Long, random passwords are much harder to crack, even with GPU power. You can test your own password strength with Hashcat. Cowpatty is a CPU-based tool for testing WPA-PSK Wi-Fi passwords. It uses captured handshake files from tools like Aircrack-ng or Wi-Fi. Cowpatty runs dictionary attacks, testing large lists of passwords. It supports rainbow tables for faster cracking with pre-computed hashes. Cowpatty is lightweight and works on almost any hardware. It's a practical tool for learning and testing WPA-PSK password security. Fluxion uses social engineering to hack Wi-Fi by creating a fake access point that looks like your real network. It disconnects devices from your actual Wi-Fi, forcing users to connect to the fake one. When users try to log in, they see a phishing portal that looks legitimate. If they enter their password, Fluxion captures it instantly. Always double-check the network you connect to and never enter credentials on unexpected pages. Stay alert. Social engineering attacks rely on tricking users, not just breaking technology. Last but not least is Pixie WPS, a specialized tool with a very targeted purpose, exploiting the pixie dust vulnerability in WPS-enabled routers. While Reaver brute forces the WPS pin, Pixie WPS goes a step further. It uses weaknesses in the way some routers generate WPS pins, allowing it to recover the pin almost instantly, no brute force required. This is a huge problem for certain routers, especially older or poorly configured ones. If Pixie WPS can recover your WPS pin, it can hand over your WPA2 password in seconds, no matter how strong your actual Wi-Fi password is. It's like bypassing the front door lock by picking a tiny, overlooked back window. Testing your own network with Pixie WPS is critical if you have WPS enabled. Even if you have a complex password, a vulnerable WPS implementation renders that moot. The only real fix is to disable WPS entirely and keep your router's firmware up to date. Pixie WPS is a great example of why security isn't just about strong passwords. Protocols and configurations matter just as much. It's also a reminder that vulnerabilities can hide in unexpected places, waiting to be exploited. If you're serious about Wi-Fi security, Pixie WPS should be on your radar. It's fast, effective, and honestly a wake-up call for anyone relying on outdated router features. So let's bring it all together. Wi-Fi security isn't just about having a fancy router or a long password. It's a combination of the protocol you use, the strength of your password, and how you configure your hardware. WEP is totally outdated and should never be used. WPA2 is good, WPA3 is even better, but only if you use strong random passwords that can withstand tools like Hashcat and Cowpatty. Don't forget about the small stuff either. Disable WPS, because tools like Reaver and Pixie WPS show just how vulnerable it can be. And always keep your router's firmware up to date. Manufacturers patch security holes all the time, and you don't want to be stuck with an old exploit waiting to happen. Finally, remember, the human factor is huge. All the technology in the world won't help if you fall for a phishing portal or accidentally connect to a fake network. Understanding how attackers think is your best weapon for staying safe. Stay ethical, stay authorized, and always use these tools to build a better, more secure network for yourself, your family, and your community. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.